Hi everyone, doing a tutorial again for you today. I'm in the park. I'm doing a beginner's card trick that you should enjoy. It requires no sleight of hand, and it also builds on the previous videos we've been doing where we look at how to shuffle cards by introducing a new method of shuffling called the Hindu shuffle. So let's give the trick a little go. You get a deck of cards, any deck will do, and you have a card selected. Doesn't matter what it is, you can give it to them to inspect it. Great. They then put the card back in there. You put your pile on top. And it often goes wrong at this point, so bear with it. We go like that. Now, the decks have split. Doesn't matter about this pile here. We split to that part. We get one card. Your card. So let's have a look at how the trick's done. Now, as you can see, this trick, it can be done standing up. You've got to be really confident with the throw. I prefer to do it sitting or in the park with friends, somewhere like that. So first off then, the Hindu shuffle. So in a previous video we looked at the overhand shuffle. This time we're looking at the Hindu, which is where whichever hand you're using, you have the deck in your hand, and you pull a block from the middle, and you put it on top. And with practice, you can do quite a long run of them. And when we go over the shoulder, I'll explain the shuffle a bit more. But you get a card chosen. This card I'm looking at now, so for the sake of practice, okay. Your spectators having a look, and with my other hand, I'm squeezing the bottom half of this half of the deck, this packet. So when they put their card on top, and I put these on, I have what's called a little break or a crimp. I turn the deck, I throw, and I catch, and there'll be a split between the two halves of the deck. Like that. One card, their card. So now let's look at it in a bit more detail over the shoulder. Okay, so now we're over the shoulder, so let's go into it in a bit more detail that's easier to follow. So the Hindu shuffle, and I'll do it with both hands, you can see I'm taking a pile, I let the rest of the hand squeeze the deck. I put it on top, and I'm using my finger and thumb just to keep things tidy. If I angle that way, you'll see I'm just pulling them out, and every time, not typical. Statistically impossible, but still. Go with the other hand. They come out, they go on top. Okay, Joker, 5. So that's the start of the trick. You have a card selected, and what we'll do is, whenever I practice a trick, a good thing to have is a card that's easy to remember. So let's go the King of Spades. Because I don't want to worry about, have I found the right card? As long as I know what the card is, it makes it easier just for practice sense, okay? Just for practice. So, I would do this for a spectator and take whatever card they can see. But we're practicing, so they've gone out. They can inspect the card. This hand, little bend at the back end. You don't squeeze the whole lot, just the back. They put that back on top. You go there. You can give it a moment if you want. You can talk to your spectator. In the hand. Now they're going to come apart. The hardest part is trying to even catch it tidily. Don't worry about it. Just make sure your hand relaxes so they don't just bounce. Okay, so as I go 1, there you go, a nice clean split on that one. Their card. Okay, the other hand. So hang on, where are we at? So let's do it again. Let's go over. So we've had a card selected, the person said stop, and they've gone, oh, card, whatever. Okay, so we're giving it to them to inspect. I'm squeezing, I'm doing it with the other hand now, just so for whoever you're left or right handed. So I give it a little squeeze. They go, yeah, we're happy with this card. Put them back on top. Turn over. I don't know if I can do this with my left hand, but we'll have a go. Oh yeah, we've got. Now that should have stayed there. You have to forgive me for getting that a bit muddled up, but you get the idea. As I said, it's much cleaner from the other side. So let's do it properly now, full speed. Their card. I don't need to peek, but so we can follow the video. 3 of diamonds, middle bend, on top, turn it over, throw, catch, split, 3 of diamonds. Okay, now if you're worried about wrecking your cards, when they go, wow, you found our card, just give the cards a little bend back the other way and they'll straighten up, no problem. So there you have it, a nice beginner's card trick. Doesn't require any complicated skills, but it's quite good fun and quite hard to figure out, so it should fool your friends. So there you have it, my first card trick tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, click subscribe, click like, help me out, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.